In this question, it says in quadrilateral ABCD, AB produced is perpendicular to DC produced. If angle A is 44 degree and angle C is 148 degree, calculate angle D and angle B. So first we need to draw the diagram, and since this is a quadrilateral, we know that there will be four straight sides joined together. What you need to understand is if AB is produced, that will be perpendicular to DC if DC is produced. So that means if we draw this line AB, that's the first thing that we need to do. And we have to understand that DC will be such that it has to be perpendicular to AB if they are both produced. So we know that DC can't be here because B and C can't be at the same point. And also this has to be a quadrilateral. So this is the extended line. That means if AB is extended, if it is extended, and if DC is extended, they will meet at a certain point where they're perpendicular to each other. Now, then we need to draw the angles. So angle A is 44, and this angle makes more sense because this has to be 44. This can't be 44, so I have named this part to be A and this to be B. And this can't be C as this is less than 90 degree. So the only possibility left for angle C, which has to be 148 degree, will be this particular point. So we have the four straight sides AB, BC, CD and AD. I have drawn some extra lines and I have named those points as X and Y so that I can solve this problem. Now angle CYD is equal to BAX because they're corresponding angles. If this is a horizontal line, this is also a horizontal line, so they will be corresponding to each other. And that's why CYD is 44 degree, just like angle A. Angle YCD is 90 degree. If we consider this to be a triangle and this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line, then this angle will definitely be 90 degree. So in triangle YCD, now we can find the angle D using the help of these two angles. So angle D will be, which is the total sum of a triangle, total sum of interior angles is 180, minus this 90 and 44 will give us the value for angle D, which is 46 degree. So now moving on to the next value that we need to find, which is the value for angle B. We can see that angle OCB is equal to CBX. OCB is equal to CBX because they are alternate angles. If this is 32, this also be 32. The reason why this particular angle is 32 is because if CD is produced, this becomes a straight line, and we know that angle in a straight line is 180 degree. That means if this is 148, the remaining will be 180 minus 148, which gives us the value for this specific angle, which is 32. If this is 32, that means this will also be 32 as they alternate to each other. Using these two vertical lines, we can conclude that these two angles are alternate to each other. And angle ABX from the triangle ABX, this will be 90 degree as this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line, this will be 90. So angle B, which is the whole thing, has to be 90 plus 32. If this is 90 and this is 32, we need to sum those and we get the value 122. So angle D is 46 degree and angle B will be 122 degree.